Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going deep on a single brand, Oris. The independent Swiss manufacturer from Holstein has been making mechanical watches since 1904, and what makes them truly special is their unwavering commitment to genuine in-house movements, real craftsmanship, and a philosophy that puts watchmaking ahead of marketing. Whether you're already an Oris fan or just discovering the brand for the first time, these 5 watches represent the very best of what Oris has to offer. Let's get into it. Number 5, Oris Big Crown Pointer Date. The Oris Big Crown Pointer Date is one of watchmaking's most charming and distinctive designs, and it earns its place on this list as the perfect entry point into the Oris universe. The defining feature is its large, sweeping pointer hand that arcs gracefully across the dial to indicate the date, a complication that is both beautifully functional and wonderfully vintage in character. This is not a gimmick. It's a legitimate horological tradition, and Oris executes it with warmth and personality that few watches at any price can match. The oversized crown, originally designed for pilots wearing gloves, gives the watch a bold, purposeful silhouette, and the 40mm cushion-shaped case wears with a dressy, casual versatility that takes it from the office to the weekend without missing a beat. On a leather strap, it simply looks timeless. Number 4, Oris Aquis Date. The Oris Aquis Date is the watch that put Oris firmly on the map for modern watch enthusiasts, and it's not hard to see why. This is a Swiss dive watch that takes on all comers far above its price class, offering 300 meters of water resistance, a unidirectional rotating bezel, and a bold, clean aesthetic that looks just as good poolside as it does in the boardroom. The Aquis Date is powered by a reliable automatic movement with a date complication that integrates neatly into the dial without disrupting its sporting elegance. Available in a stunning range of dial colors, from deep ocean blue and Atlantic green to classic black, each version catches the light differently thanks to the distinctive relief pattern applied to the dial surface. The bracelet features an extension system built into the clasp, allowing you to adjust the fit over a wetsuit without tools. This is a watch designed by people who actually think about how it gets used. Comfortable, capable, and genuinely handsome in person, the Aquis Date is the kind of watch that earns daily wearer status almost immediately. This is the diver for people who want serious tool watch credentials without the boutique price tag. The Oris Aquis Date retails for approximately $100 USD. Number 3, Oris Carl Brashear Calibre 401. The Oris Carl Brashear Calibre 401 is a watch with soul. It pays tribute to Carl Brashear, the first African-American to become a U.S. Navy master diver, a man who continued his career after losing a leg, and one of the most remarkable stories in military history. Oris has always taken its collaborations seriously, and this one is no exception. But beyond the story, this watch earns its spot on this list because of what's inside, the Calibre 401. This is Oris's own in-house movement, and it is genuinely impressive. It delivers a world-class 5-day, 120-hour power reserve, features a non-hacking seconds hand in the traditional diving watch manner, and runs at a smooth 28,800 vibrations per hour. The bronze case gives the watch an instantly warm, nautical character, developing a unique patina over time that makes every example truly one of a kind. Number 2, Oris Divers 65. The Oris Diver 65 is simply one of the most beautiful watches made today, and I say that with complete conviction. Launched in 2015 as a tribute to Oris's first-generation dive watch from 1965, the 65 captures everything that made vintage watches so desirable. The domed acrylic crystal that plays with light, the double-dome dial, the curved lugs, the perfectly proportioned 40mm case, and it packages all of it with modern finishing quality and a reliable automatic movement. Wearing the 65 is like strapping a piece of horological history to your wrist, but one that actually works flawlessly every day. The range of dial colors available is extraordinary, from coral and turquoise to classic black and white, each paired with either a leather strap, rubber strap, or integrated bracelet depending on the reference. 50 meters of water resistance is honest and appropriate for a vintage-inspired design that was never meant for deep diving. Number 1. Oris Aquis Date Calibre 400. The Oris Aquis Date Calibre 400 takes everything that made the Aquis Date great and elevates it into something extraordinary. And the reason is simple. The Calibre 400, this is Oris's flagship in-house movement, and it is one of the most impressive horological achievements in its price class, full stop. The Calibre 400 delivers a 5-day, 120-hour power reserve. It is anti-magnetic to 2,850 Gauss, a level of magnetic resistance that surpasses watches costing many times more. It is COSC certified as a chronometer, guaranteeing precision to within 4 + 6 seconds per day. And it features a 10-year service interval, meaning this watch will ask almost nothing of you for a decade of daily wear. Underneath that is everything the Aquis platform already does brilliantly. 400 meters of water resistance, a unidirectional ceramic bezel, a stunning dial in relief-textured blue or green or black, and a bracelet with a diver's extension system. But with the Calibre 400 inside, this is no longer just a great value dive watch. It's a serious contender against far more prestigious names. The Oris Aquis Date Calibre 400 proves that independent Swiss watchmaking built on genuine craft, honest values, and no compromise on what goes inside can produce something truly world-class.